7:55 on the morning of December the 7th, 1941. Pearl Harbor is calm as American battleships lie quietly at anchor, and sailors begin what seems like another ordinary Sunday. Without warning, the silence is broken by the roar of aircraft overhead. Japanese dive bombers and torpedo planes sweep across the harbor, unleashing a carefully planned assault that catches the United States completely by surprise. Within moments, bombs rain down from the sky while torpedoes tear through the sides of battleships, sending towering explosions and thick black smoke into the Hawaiian air. The attack unfolds with devastating precision. Airfields are bombed before American fighters can take off, leaving aircraft burning on the ground, while ships throughout the harbor are struck one after another. At the center of the destruction is the battleship USS Arizona, where a bomb penetrates the forward magazine and triggers a catastrophic explosion that tears the ship apart in seconds, killing more than 1,100 sailors and Marines. Nearby, USS Oklahoma rolls onto her side as trapped crew members struggle to escape, while other vessels burn fiercely and desperate sailors leap into oil-covered water to avoid the flames. Across Pearl Harbor, rescue operations begin immediately as firefighters battle massive blazes. Medics search through twisted wreckage and civilians risk their own lives to help the wounded. By the time the final Japanese aircraft disappear over the horizon, the attack has lasted less than 2 hours, yet its impact is staggering. More than 2,400 Americans have been killed, over 1,000 are wounded, 8 battleships are sunk or heavily damaged, and more than 180 aircraft have been destroyed. It is one of the greatest military disasters in American history, but beneath the smoke and destruction lies a critical mistake. America's aircraft carriers are not in the harbor that morning, and the Navy's fuel depots, repair facilities, and submarine bases survived the attack. Japan has delivered a powerful blow, but it has failed to destroy the United States' ability to fight back. Instead of forcing America into retreat, Pearl Harbor ignites a determination that will reshape the Pacific War. Less than 24 hours later, President Franklin D. Roosevelt stands before Congress and declares December 7th, 1941, a date which will live in infamy within hours. The United States declares war on Japan, transforming a regional conflict into a truly global one. Pearl Harbor lasts less than 2 hours, but its consequences will echo through every major battle that follows.